What are the legal requirements for a joint custody schedule? Have you ever wondered what it takes to create a joint custody schedule after a divorce or separation? Understanding the legal requirements can help ensure that both parents remain involved in their child's life. Let's break down the essentials. First and foremost, the court's main focus is the best interests of the child. This means that any custody arrangement must prioritize the child's welfare, stability, and needs. If a joint custody schedule serves those needs, it is more likely to be approved. Next, there are two types of joint custody to consider. Joint legal custody allows both parents to make important decisions about the child's health, education, and overall welfare. This type of custody does not depend on how much time the child spends with each parent. On the other hand, joint physical custody means that the child lives with both parents for significant amounts of time. The time spent may not be equal, but it should be substantial enough to maintain a strong relationship. Another key requirement is parental cooperation. The court will assess whether parents can communicate effectively and work together in raising their child. If there is a history of conflict or an inability to cooperate, joint custody may not be granted. A detailed parenting time schedule is also essential. This schedule outlines when the child will be with each parent. It can be equal or unequal depending on what works best for the child and the family. Common arrangements include alternating weeks or 2 days with one parent, 2 days with the other, and then 5 days alternating. For a joint custody arrangement to be official, it needs court approval. Parents can agree on a schedule and submit it to the court. If the judge finds the arrangement suitable, they will sign the court order. If there is disagreement, a hearing will take place where evidence will be presented, and the judge will make a decision. Lastly, legal documentation is crucial. The joint custody schedule and custody type should be formalized through court orders or parenting plans. These documents clearly outline legal custody rights and physical custody schedules to prevent future disputes. In practical terms, creating a joint custody schedule requires thoughtful planning and negotiation. Parents must balance their availability and ability to work together while keeping the child's needs at the forefront. This legal framework supports shared parenting responsibilities and aims to protect the child's best interests, even after the parent's relationship has ended.